You told Mayavadis try to realize themselves, but they do self-realization by jnanic process.
Jnanic process.
By 90. So even we devotees also, we also need to get detached from material involvements. So can we also copy some part of them and along with that engage in devotional service so that we can fasten our self-realization? Always contemplating.
No doubt, but you don't have to struggle separately for that. As you're doing devotion service, you'll realize that Divya Jnana is started shining in your heart. That same phala, without mental speculation. They have to engage in mental speculation. Here we see the result of it. It manifests. Divya Jnana Hriday Prakashita. I am this, I am not this body becomes a realization, becomes more and more apparent, very clear, without having to go through so much of jnanic effort. So, yes, your good point. We don't speculate. We also read, when we read Prabhupada's books, when Prabhupada says, you are not this body, you will think about it. How I am not this body? But for you it becomes, for a devotee it becomes very easy. Realizations come faster. End of the day, devotion service cannot be done in ignorance. Devotion service has to be done in jnana. Devotion service is pure. That means there cannot be illusion there. So jnana is there, but the way in which we get jnana is not you are chasing after jnana. Jnana manifests in your heart. You are chasing after pleasing Guru and Krishna, following the instructions given by them for sadhana. Try to merge, just like when you are chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. It is all spiritual sound. So when we chant, sitting in this body, come out of this body and merge in the quality of the Hare Krishna sound. There's a spiritual quality. Spiritual sound means spiritual quality. So there is nothing wrong in one with something. I become one with the fire. That means fire quality comes to me. So all spiritual shabda I am hearing, just by hearing, yes, my quality, I am merging into the quality of, that's what in this verse it is said. My quality he becomes. My quality is Satchidananda. It's a good exercise. Because self-realization means to become one with Krishna in quality, not in quantity. Just because not in quantity, don't be against being one with Krishna in quality. I cannot be this stupid body. I cannot be this, matter. I am one with Krishna in his quality.